Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 5 are going to present about the summary from research paper entitled Factor Explaining the Use of Management Accounting Practices in Malaysian Medium-Sized Firm. Okay, so this is our group members. The purpose of the research is to determine the important factor that influencing the adoption of management accounting practices (MAPS) in medium-sized manufacturing firm in Malaysia by providing valuable insights into this under-researched area. Management accounting is increasingly recognized as an important item enhancing business performance and decision making, especially for small and medium-sized enterprise SME. So for the method, the research using qualitative approach that surveying 500 firms and resulting in 110 usable responses that establishing a robust methodological framework for this analysis purpose. The main objective of the research was to identify specific factors that affect the implementation of MAPS within the context of Malaysian medium-sized firm. Reveal the various factors include firm size, intensity of market competition, owner or manager commitment, and the presence of advanced manufacturing technology play vital role in shaping the degree of MAP implementation. In addition, this research highlight the positive relationship between firm size and the implementation of MAPS. Largest firms within the medium segment tend to adapt these practices more widely, like due to greater resources availability that allow for advanced accounting system and method.
Next, about the findings. The findings clearly highlight three key factors influencing the adoption of management accounting practices, or in shortened MAPS, in medium-sized Malaysian firms, which are firm size and market competition, owner or manager commitment, and advanced manufacturing technology. To begin with, larger firms tend to adopt MAPs due to their operational complexity and resource availability. Moreover, intense market competition drives firms to enhance decision making through sophisticated MAPs. Interestingly, owner or manager commitment acts as a critical mediator, underscoring the importance of leadership in shaping organizational strategies. Firms with committed leadership are more likely to implement advanced practices. Lastly, advanced technology enables effective data collection and analysis, reinforcing MAP adoption. Thus, MAP usage depends on internal and external contextual factors.
Next, we will discuss about some of the limitations identified from the research paper. So, first of all, the study highlights a low response rate, which may lead to non-response bias. This makes it difficult to generalize the findings to other SMEs. Additionally, the complexity of data gathered within the SMEs adds challenges to the analysis process. And other than that, the research also focused on a limited range of contingent variables. While this approach aligns with the simpler structure of SMEs, it might have overlooked other critical factors affecting the MAB implementation. Another limitation is the scope restriction to medium-sized firms. This means small firms and firms in other industries where practices may differ significantly were not included in the study. So as a result, the findings are more applicable to medium-sized firms only. And it is clear that larger firms might require more complex managerial accounting practices, which lead to the next issue, which is generalizability issues, where it restricts the generalizability of the conclusions across the entire SME spectrum. Thus, by understanding these limitations could help set realistic expectations for the study scope and its practical implications. So next is the practical implications of the study, where the study offers valuable insights into the adoption of MAP. Firstly, the findings can assist managers in improving the decision-making systems by identifying firm-specific contingencies that impact the MAP implementation. Moreover, the implications toward policy development by the policymakers, where the research provides a basis to create initiatives and policies that encourage the use of managerial accounting practices, which can drive the economic growth. Lastly, the study also provides insights, also emphasizes the importance of market competition, offering firms practical guidance on how to adjust their accounting practices to address with the market challenges.
Okay, now we go to the implementation. So implementation have three implementation in this research. So firstly is the policymaker, and second for the research and examination, and three is a public knowledge. So the first for the policymakers, the research result will be useful for policymakers in developing and developed countries who would like to assist SME in enhancing on their management accounting system. For the second one, this work can be also be a foundation for further research and examination of managerial accounting practice among SME in Malaysia or indeed any other country. And the third one is for the public knowledge. The public is also helped by this research, which provide a suitable policy to be implemented in order to foster the growth of SME, which are crucial in the Malaysian economy. So we go to the result of the research paper. So there are three results that we highlighted in this research paper. So firstly is the increased market competition cause medium-sized firms to be more prudent in planning and controlling their activities to survive and compete effectively. And second, as a firm business environment becomes increasingly dynamic, such as through modern technology, it is increasingly important to use management accounting to develop coherent and consistent business strategies. And lastly, there is no positive and significant influence of owner management commitment or on the use of costing system and performance evaluating system. So we go to the conclusion for this research paper. So there are two conclusions that we have concluded. So we know what the purpose of the research paper. So next we know what a key point that highlighted in this research paper, such as limitation, practical implications, social implementation, social implications, findings, and other else. So with those we know that research paper have identified specific factors that affect the implementation of managerial accounting practices. So we know what factors that prevent the implementation efforts or of MAPs among SME. We also know the highlight point of the research that have we bring to this presentation.